Managing a business, especially as a freelancer, consultant, or small agency, means wearing multiple hats. You're often bouncing between different tools to handle tasks, send invoices, track time, manage clients, and stay on top of communication. That's where Plutio comes in. Plutio is an all-in-one business management platform built specifically for solopreneurs and lean teams. It combines task management, time tracking, invoicing, proposals, and CRM into one clean, intuitive interface. Whether you're running client projects, collaborating with a remote team, or just trying to stay organized while scaling your services, Plutio simplifies your workflow by keeping everything in one place. In this video, we'll walk you through what Plutio can do and focus on its core features that make it a standout tool. We'll also explain why it's such a solid choice for 2025 and for professionals who want more control and less clutter in their operations. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the project and task management. Plutio's task and project tools are simple to set up, yet powerful in practice. You can create projects with different boards or lists, set start and due dates, assign teammates, and view progress using calendars or Kanban boards. Tasks can include rich descriptions, comments, attachments, and custom statuses, and you can nest subtasks or even automate workflows. Everything stays organized and centralized. You're not switching between multiple tools just to manage daily to-dos. Whether you're tracking a campaign, content production, or client deliverables, Plutio lets you see the big picture and the fine details all in one place. Another key feature is the time tracking and timesheets. Plutio features a built-in time tracker that you can start with a single click. It runs in the background while you work and logs every entry under the related project or task. All track time can be reviewed, edited, and exported into a detailed timesheet, ideal for clients or internal review. Accurate time tracking means better billing and better insight into how long your work really takes. No more estimating or juggling third-party trackers. It saves time, keeps billing fair, and builds transparency with clients who want to know how their money is being spent. Another key feature is the invoicing and proposals. From inside Plutio, you can create and send polished invoices, estimates, and proposals. Everything is fully customizable, from branding and layout to payment terms and recurring billing. You can even embed interactive proposals with checkboxes, signatures, and payment links all in one document. You don't need external software to handle finances. Invoices and proposals are seamlessly tied to the projects and time logs in Plutio, which makes it easy to charge accurately and get paid faster. It also looks more professional when everything is branded and sent from the same platform. Another key feature is the client portal and collaboration. Plutio makes working with clients incredibly smooth. You can invite clients into their own secure portal where they can view project updates, download files, sign proposals, approve estimates, or pay invoices. You decide what they can access, and the portal can be branded with your logo and domain. Clients don't have to chase updates by email or use clunky file sharing services. This builds trust and keeps your relationship streamlined. Another key feature is the CRM and automation tools. Plutio also features a lightweight CRM that allows you to track leads, contacts, and sales pipelines. You can set up pipelines with custom stages, manage client communications, and even automate tasks. For example, you can trigger email sequences, task creation, or reminders when a deal moves from one stage to another. You stay on top of your leads and client relationships without needing a separate CRM like HubSpot or Pipedrive. Automation also helps you save time and reduce repetitive work. So, why is Plutio a great choice? Plutio stands out because it hits that sweet spot. It's powerful enough to manage all your work in one place, but it doesn't feel bloated or overwhelming. For freelancers, agencies, and small teams, this can mean fewer subscriptions, lower costs, and less time wasted jumping between platforms. It's especially ideal if you want to offer a more polished client experience. With a client portal, branded proposals, and real time collaboration tools, Plutio helps you look more professional. On top of that, Plutio is cloud based, mobile friendly, and constantly updated with new features and improvement. In 2025, it remains one of the best value, all in one business platforms for independent professionals and lean teams that want full control without high overhead. So, if you're looking for a streamlined way to manage every aspect of your business, from task and time tracking to client billing and communication, Plutio is worth the serious consideration. It replaces multiple tools, keeps your work centralized, and enhances your client experience with built in portals and automations. So, whether you're freelancing full time, running a boutique agency, or scaling your own business, Pluto gives you the structure, flexibility, and professionalism you need to stay organized and grow confidently. So, give it a try and see how much time and hassle it can save you. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.